Hi students, today I am going to solve an example of the finite integral as the limit of a sum. So our example is students find integration from 0 to 2 x square plus 1 dx as the limit of a sum. Since students we know that integration from a to b fx dx is equal to b minus a into limit n tends to infinity 1 upon n into fa plus h plus fa plus 2h plus and so on fa plus n minus 1 into h. Okay, here where h is equal to b minus a upon n. Here from question fx is equal to x square plus 1 a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 2. Therefore h is equal to b minus a, 2 minus 0 is equal to 2, and n is here. So by the help of this formula we can write this finite integral. Therefore integration from 0 to 2 x square plus 1 dx is equal to b minus a, that means 2 minus 0, that is 2, limit n tends to infinity 1 upon n. Here will be fa, that means a is equal to 0, there will be f0 plus f, here a is 0, h is equal to 2 by n, here will be f2 by n, plus here will be f a plus 2h, a is 0, so therefore here will be 2 into 2 4, f 4 by n. Similarly here will be f 2 into n minus 1 upon n. Okay, now 2 into limit n tends to infinity 1 upon n. The value of f0 from here will be f0 is equal to from here 1 plus f2 by n is equal to 2 square upon n square plus 1 from here, and plus f4 by n is equal to 4 square upon n square plus 1 plus and so on. For here will be 2 square upon n square into n minus 1 whole square. Okay, now 2 into limit n tends to infinity 1 upon n into here will be 1 plus 1 plus 1, here will be plus 1. Okay, so here will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus dot 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 till n terms plus 1 plus 2 square upon n square plus 4 square upon n square plus dot 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 n 2 square upon n square into n minus 1 whole square. Okay, so here will be 2 into limit n tends to infinity 1 upon n. Here this is sum of n terms. Here will be 1 into n is equal to n plus taking common 2 square upon n square from this part, we get 2 square upon n square. Here will be 1 square plus 2 square plus dot 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 n minus 1 whole square. Okay, is equal to 2 into limit n tends to infinity 1 upon n, n plus 2 square upon n square into, we know that the sum of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dot 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 n minus 1 square, we know that n into n minus 1 into 2n minus 1 upon 6. Okay, this part reduce into this term. Okay, so here will be opening the bracket, students, 2, here will be 2, and here n and this n will be cancelled. Here will be 2 plus this n and this n will be cancelled. That means 2 limit n tends to infinity 2 square upon n square into n minus 1 into 2n minus 1 upon 6 equal to 2 plus 2 limit n tends to infinity 2 square upon n square into here will be 2n square minus n minus 2n plus 1 upon 6 equal to 2 plus, here will be 2, 4 2 ja 8 upon 6 into limit n tends to infinity 2n square minus 3n plus 1 upon n square equal to 2 plus 8 upon 6 limit n tends to infinity, taking n common n square in numerator, we get n square into 2 minus 3 upon n plus 1 upon n square upon n square. This is n square and this n square will be cancelled. Here will be 2 plus 8 by 6 into, here will be, this term will be 0 and this term will be also 0. Here will be remain 2 is equal to 2 3 ja 6. Now 2 plus 8 upon 3 is equal to here LCM is 3, 2 3 3 2 ja 6 plus 8 is equal to 14 by 3. 14 by 3 is the required answer of this finite integral. So students, this was the example of finite integral as the limit of a sum. So watch this process carefully and seek to solve such type of question from your book. Thank you so much.